Hey, what's up, you guys? I am back, and I'm sorry for the late upload. I know it's the 9th of February or the 10th of February, depending on where you're from. And I do apologize for the late upload. January was a very busy month. I was busy with school, and then time just got away from me. But anyway, today we're going to be making your own QR code. Now, if you don't know what this is, it's pretty simple. And just, well, it's real easy. All you have to do is just pretty much hover your your smartphone camera over all those little pixelated areas. But I'll show you what I'm talking about in just a second. But anyway, this is how you're going to make your own. It's quite easy. You just go to this website here, which I have down in the description. Now you can make a V card, display any static text, emails, SMS, Facebook, PDFs, MP3s to an app or an image. Now, if you want to sign up for this website, you can, but you do not have to. Of course, for this example, we're going to use my YouTube channel. So we're going to copy this and we're going to paste it into here. As you can see, I did it already. And then you don't have to worry about this. So we're just going to close out of here. And then generate QR code. And there it is. And then you can download a JPEG, I think. Nope. You gotta sign up if you want to download it. So, okay. So that's pretty much how you create. Oh, there it is. Never mind. You do not need to sign up. Wow. Okay. So you can put this like on your website or anything like that so that people can link to your channel, and you can customize the color. Let's see here. I'll make mine blue. And you can change the logo. Scan me. That's cool. And then I'll show you on my iPod how this all works. So bear with me. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. Now basically all you want to do, let's see, I'm going to use my iPod for this. Now do forgive me, my hand might shake because holding the camera on my iPod in one is very tricky. So anyway, you go into your camera, if I can. Okay, and then you just shine it on the screen, point it to the QR, and there it is. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it says open in YouTube. Okay. And then you just tap this. And there you go. It linked me up right to my channel from this little QR code. But anyway, that's how you make a QR code. If you guys want to sign up for the website, you can. And then if you want to pay for the fee, go right ahead. I'm not a paid sponsor for this. I just thought I would show it off because I just found out about it. And I thought it was really cool. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. And we'll talk to you in March. And hopefully I'll have my March video uploaded on time. With that, I hope you guys have a good day. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. And oh yeah, and don't forget to share. Alright, see you guys later. Bye for now.